Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back in my hometown of Chester and we're asking the question, Poundbakery, is anything a pound anymore? Probably not, but let's go and find out. Oh, and just on a side note, we'll probably try some of their bakery stuff just to see if it's as good as Greg's, which you know, isn't that good, but we'll see. Right, see when we get there. Okay, so the Poundbakery we just walked to has got delivery going on, so we're going to head to the other parts of town and give you a shout when we get there. So I do love early Saturday mornings in the city, just full of hungover teenagers wondering how the hell they ended up where they've ended up and trying to make their way home. That was me once, thank God not anymore. If I have like 4 drinks these days, I just feel hungover for about 2 weeks afterwards. Right, let's keep going. So I've just walked past Poundbakery and you've got loads of signs in the windows of special offers, but nothing's a pound on special offers. So that makes me a bit nervous that if their special offers aren't a pound, then nothing else is going to be a pound, is it? Is it just me? Am I making this up? It definitely used to be a pound for everything in there, didn't it, when it first came out? I mean, I don't go to these places very often, contrary to what these videos might look like. So let's go and find out. Okay, see you in there. Hey, how you doing? Do you do anything that's a pound anymore?
For a pound, you can get hash browns for less than a pound.
Okay, we'll give up on that. We'll just try some stuff. Can I try your? Well, I'll buy, obviously not try. Can I get a sausage roll, please? What else should I get? What else? I'll try your jumbo steak as well. That looks nice. I think that's everything. Yeah. How much was that? Sorry.
$3.15 altogether.
$3.15. Perfect. Thank you. You have a great day. Cheerio. So there we have it. Nothing is a pound in the Poundbakery apart from a hash brown. Having said that, we've got 2 things to try. We've got a sausage roll and we've got a jumbo steak thing. So last time I did the jumbo steak thing from Greg's, it dripped all over me. And I'm wearing a grey top, so that does not bode well. But anyway, let's go get set up and give these a try. Maybe I'm making this up. Maybe nothing was a pound. Maybe they're just called Poundbakery and nothing's ever been a pound. So I think when we sit down, I'm going to have to use ChatGPT because I'm starting to doubt myself now because literally nothing was a pound in there. £3.15 for these 2. Right, let's get set up and I'll speak to you shortly. So I'm absolutely paranoid now that the whole premise of this video has been wrong. Maybe nothing was ever a pound, so let's ask ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, was there ever a time where the Poundbakery in the UK just sold items for a pound? Because everything seems really expensive in there now.
Poundbakery initially built its brand around selling affordable baked goods, often with items priced at or around a pound. However, over time, prices have likely increased due to rising costs and inflation. So while there may have been a time when most items were priced around a pound, that might not be the case anymore.
I knew it. Okay, so I wasn't going mad. Things did used to be a pound in there. Let's see how they compare to Greg's. So we've got 2 items. They both feel warm actually, which is better than Greg's. I wonder if Poundbakery pay VAT or not, because these feel really, really warm. Okay, so first of all, let's try the sausage roll. I'm just begging to spill stuff down me today. Sausage roll's a good size, and it's hot. It's really hot actually. That tastes no different to Greg's at all. Just to compare pricings, Greg's sausage roll costs £1.30 in the cheaper Greg's. If you go to some of the bigger cities, it costs up to £1.55. These are £1.15, you can get 3 for £3, in which case it is almost a pound per item. But yeah, in terms of the sausage roll here, this is warm, it's tasty, it's hot, and it's cheaper. So this is the jumbo steak bake. It was £2. The equivalent in Greg's is £2.40. This is massive, look at it, it's absolutely massive. And it's hot as well. So if I'm being honest, first bite, not sure it's as nice as the Greg's one. So far, it's majority pastry, look at that. I can't actually get to any steak yet. There's got to be some steak in here somewhere. Where's the steak? This is atrocious. There's no steak inside. Are they taking the piss? Okay, so I'm squeezing it now, trying to find some steak. There's a bit dripping out the bottom now. I've just squoze it to death, and that's the amount of steak in there. That is terrible. That's not steak bake, that's a pastry bake. I'm going to come out in support of Greg's for once, which is going to surprise you. So the sausage rolls from the Poundbakery, same as Greg's, don't waste your money, get to Poundbakery. In terms of steak bake, there's no steak in it. Literally, there's probably a tablespoonful of steak in there. Absolutely shocking. No wonder it's cheaper. Sometimes you do get what you pay for, I guess. But anyway, the answer to the question, Poundbakery, is anything a pound anymore? Well, yeah, it's a hash brown or a sausage roll if you buy 3 of them. I think they should change the name. I don't think you can legally call themselves Poundbakery anymore, surely. They should call themselves Over a Pound Bakery, because everything's basically over a pound. They are doing a special offer at the moment. If you buy a pasty, you can add another for £1. So maybe they should call themselves Add Another for a Pound Bakery. It's certainly not Poundbakery. It's a con. It's a lie. We should get trading standards on them, really. It's got me thinking, though, all these pound shops, are they selling things for £1 anymore? I think we might have to go and have a look at some point. Anyway, thank you for watching. We're going to call it a day there. I'm really, really greasy. And I'm still a bit perturbed by that steak bake. It's not a steak bake, it's a pastry bake. I'm literally on the busiest road ever. Everyone's just walking past staring at me like I'm a nut. Listen, anyway, thank you for watching. If you're supporting the channel, thank you very much. That means the world. We're only a small channel, so every sub and every like at the moment really helps us. So if you could do that, I'd be really, really grateful. Listen, enjoy your weekends, and I'll see you again. Cheerio. Bye. And I'm just coming back to rant a little bit more about that steak bake. It should actually be called the unstaked bake. That's absolutely ridiculous. I'm just about to bin it. What a waste of £2. Absolutely ridiculous. So it's a dark day on this channel when I'm saying that Greggs have got a superior product to someone else, but their steak bake is well better. Not just a little bit better, it's well better. Right, I'm definitely going this time. See you guys soon. Oh, and like and subscribe one more time. Thank you. Cheerio.